Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to change mouse pointer speed on Windows 11 laptops. So how to do that? Very simple. Click on start menu, then search about mouse, then you will get this mouse settings. Click on that, then you will get this page and you can see here the second option is here, mouse pointer speed. So you can click and drag this one to adjust the mouse speed. You can see that. So in this way you can simply adjust that, and I'm using on my full speed 20. So that's, guys, you can set different kind of speed and matching with your touchpad or mouse or your usage types. So that's, guys, and also you can see another option is here, enhance pointer precisions. So it will be make some helpful pointer adjustment whenever you're using mouse. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial or just PC, I mean Windows or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.